Folks, here I'm again. I'm going to show you now with a trick how to use a CauCau machine if you did work and you stopped the work in the evening and you want to continue that work next day, for example. So with the pause knob. As example, I will run a small work now, going into the file and starting this up. So I stopped at the A, at the end of the A. A was done. I stopped at the end of A. Now I will save that break. Okay, I can choose 8 positions. I will choose the first position. Okay. Imagine that you now stop the machine completely, and next day you will restart the machine. Then you can, instead of starting the job from zero again, you can push run and the position that you saved. For example, run 1. You get now the same list. You can reselect the milling stop that you saved. You click on that and then you get all the G codes. I could go now 1 or 2 steps up, that he will not restart at the A, but a little bit earlier, 1 position earlier, so that you don't have a point where you stopped and a next point next day that will start on the same position but 1 step earlier, that you have a nice cut. So that's what I will do. I will go a few places up and then I will continue on that point. Okay, so machine will start up and restart a little bit earlier than where I stopped on the previous cut. That was my last point, and now he is steering the line from the A. That's the line that I went back, and he will continue now. So you see, this is an easy way to stop working whenever you want and to restart again on wherever point you want. That's all, folks. I'll see you at the next tip. Bye.